Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us at CareerLink Lancaster County. I'm proud to be here with my colleague and friend, Secretary Dr. Bogan. We are excited to launch a new initiative today. We are offering on-the-spot birth certificates right here at CareerLink locations, and we're starting here in Lancaster today. We know that sometimes the greatest barrier to getting a job or finding housing isn't your initiative or your hard work or your determination, but it's something as simple as not having foundational documents. And being able to get a birth certificate at CareerLink is really something important. And this is part of a broader effort by Governor Shapiro to make sure that he's bringing real opportunities to people every day. Since he started office, he's really focused so much on workforce in places like CareerLinks and building up services and opportunities here. He's already invested millions of dollars into this workforce space, and importantly, in the next budget, he's looking to continue the same investments, $10 million in apprenticeship and pre-apprenticeship programs, $5 million specifically for the retention, training, and tuition reimbursement for nurses, as well as $5 million in addition for our Office of Vocational Rehabilitation to make sure that we continue to make opportunities available to individuals with disabilities. But today we're celebrating another opportunity here at CareerLinks, and by offering birth certificates on site like we're doing today, we are breaking down barriers, streamlining services, and opening doors for good-paying, family-sustaining wages and benefits for people across Pennsylvania. So again, I want to thank Secretary Dr. Deborah Bogan and our team at Labor and Industry, the team at Department of Health for their work, and for all of our community partners for making this event spot possible. So together, we are continuing to get stuff done, and it is with pleasure I introduce Secretary Dr. Bogan.
Good afternoon, and thank you, Secretary Walker, for having us here today. We truly value this partnership with Labor and Industry to benefit Pennsylvanians job seekers. One of the Department of Health's role is to oversee the Pennsylvania Division of Vital Records, which includes maintaining birth certificates for everyone born in Pennsylvania. And I'm really proud of the dedicated Vital Records team who consistently work to improve efficiency and provide the highest quality service to residents. And today we're celebrating a new partnership and initiative which personifies those efforts to clear barriers efficiently and help job seekers verify their identity so they can be hired faster by prospective employers. As a side note, I want to mention that yesterday, April 27th, the Department of Health celebrated the 120th anniversary of its creation by the General Assembly in 1905. So not only has the department been improving the health of Pennsylvanians since 1905, but it's also been safeguarding vital records, including birth and death data for Pennsylvanians since 1906. So, little history lesson. We are a resilient agency that adapts to the needs of the day and the generation. And this new partnership initiative is proof that we continue to adapt to meet the needs of residents we serve. Birth certificates, as was just mentioned, are the primary document businesses use to satisfy employment requirements, and they're also needed by people to obtain government-issued identifications like passports and licenses. So this collaboration between the Department of Health and Labor and Industry will remove barriers for Pennsylvania-born residents who need a copy of their birth certificate. And this initiative supports eligible participants with not only convenience of getting their birth certificate on the spot at a CareerLink event, but also by removing the cost for the job seeker here and at future CareerLinks events. So thank you. As always, I do want to put a plug. As always, Pennsylvania residents can apply for a birth certificate online through the Department of Health's website, by mail, or in person at one of our 6 Vital Records public offices located across the state. Here's a very important note that our online ordering system known as Vital Check can be found through the department's website or directly at mycertificates.health.pa.gov. This is Pennsylvania's only authorized website for online orders. There are many other online services that claim to provide PA birth certificates. However, what you must understand is that using any of these other online birth certificate fulfillment websites actually delays receipt of your documents and charges you additional fees. These services simply forward your application to the Department of Health. They pay the usual $20 fee and charge you an additional fee, and the department still sends you the birth certificate. So, as you can see, I'm asking that there's no need to go through these unofficial websites when we offer so many ways to get your birth certificate for less money and faster turnaround. So thank you to our partner agency, Labor and Industry, for making this event possible, and to the staff from both agencies who have worked extremely hard to make this happen today and going forward. So now it's my honor to introduce CareerLink Site Administrator Christine Rogenbaum.
I just wanted to say thank you on behalf of the team at PA CareerLink Lancaster County for including us in this pilot program. We are honored to be the first one to go through this. One of the things that we have learned as a team we do is barrier remediation for all of our customers. Through another initiative through the state, our digital intake form, we are able to identify that birth certificate and the lack thereof is a considerable barrier for our customer. This also can impede their ability to become eligible for programs and initiatives, whether it be at the CareerLink or out in the community. So it's very important to us today that we have our community partners with us as we go on this adventure, and we are able to assist our customers with getting birth certificates and helping them move forward in employment and careers and anything else they wish to do upon their journey. So thank you all for coming and joining us. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you, everybody, so much for joining us today. This has been a really wonderful opportunity to join together to celebrate yet another service that is available. And again, thank you to our friends here at the CareerLink Lancaster County for doing this. Thank you to our partners, the Department of Health, and for all of the teams that have worked so hard to put this together. So thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.
So what is the difference? So what are you all doing? What are the two different jobs? Or just two different people?
Just both of us here.
Both doing it for this, you're doing the same job just so that there's.
So, stuff like that.
So when my father-in-law joined the military at age 17, he went to enlist in the military and he brought them his birth certificate, which he had never.
To do what we call data entry updates, go to the original record and make sure that they're entered. And then we need somebody to ensure that it was entered correctly. So,
His name, which they said would take a long time back then, this
Yeah.
was in the 60s. And so he kept a new last name. So his family name was Lesk. And I'm introducing the site administrator before sending back to. Yes. Administration. Not in this one. In this one, you can. I'm doing the. I'm talking about. Rapid site research. But also. It wasn't even that fast, but there was a situation where we went out in the after. So the same thing. They're both they're both, one's in East Liberty, one's actually probably officially the edge of the
team at Labor and Industry, the team at Department of Health for their work, and for all of our community partners for making this event spot possible. So together, we are continuing to get stuff done.
we serve. Birth certificates, as was just mentioned, are the primary document businesses use to satisfy employment requirements, and they're also needed by people to obtain government known as Vital Check, can be found through the department's website or directly at mycertificates.health.pa.gov. This is Pennsylvania's only authorized website for online orders.
Impede their ability to become eligible for programs and initiatives, whether it be at the CareerLink or out in the community. So it's very important to us today that we have our community partners with us as we go on this adventure.